Alright, I'm gonna do a quick little video on how I feel like you should grease your truck. So I've seen some videos where people grease their trucks or greasing stuff, and it's just like they just way overdoing it. Alright, that's kind of hard to do one-handed. So basically the point I'm trying to make is don't overfill your grease fittings. You don't want to tear this rubber gasket. See, and it's, you just start seeing it come out, that's when you stop. Don't let it come rushing out. I mean, it's barely. See how it started? Now that's already too much. Broke out the other side.